Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're taking a look at pound against the US dollar as some dollar weakness has entered the market today, boosting the pound to the upside. Now this is what we've been looking for some time now. We've been talking about the potential for pound to move to the upside. Not only is there a seasonal opportunity to be a buyer of the pound, the commitment of trader reports, which we actually featured in yesterday's pound Aussie long opportunity video, was suggesting that the commercials were starting to buy or at least increase their long contracts and decrease their short contracts. So that was a positive for the pound as well. And the strength meter, of course, was showing us that the pound was moving from the lows. So how can we look at this technically now? Now that there's a bit of dollar weakness in the market, and if the dollar is going to continue to potentially pull back, we could see some opportunities here for the pound as the dollar continues to weaken. Now, what we talked about previously was being a buyer above the major key levels on pound, and you can see here that we're driving now above the 131 level, and it looks likely that we're going to head towards the 132. Now, what's interesting about this is if we take a look at the weekly time frame, we've got a bit of divergence going on. Price made a new lower low, but the RSI we had a higher low form. So that was one of the opportunities that kind of we identified previously, because we actually talked about this low to this low here, and again we had a similar divergence going on where price had made a higher low. Sorry, price had made a lower low, but the RSI had made a higher low, which is the exact same situation, which is going on here. So another good sign. So we've almost got like triple divergence going on here for some upside, which is something that I like to look at on the RSI on a weekly time frame. If we're going to bounce, where we're going to bounce to, I think we're actually going to trade back towards the 134 area, or at least 133.50s, this previous structure point through here. Obviously, we can retest around about 133 as well, which is this previous high. If we're going to get there, I wanted to see that 4-hour change of trend, and we've got that now. You can see that we were trending to the downside here on the 4-hour time frame, and now recently we've broken through this previous structure point down through here around about the 1.3060s. So there's one or two options. I think now, because we're trading above 131, we're either going to see price rally a little bit higher, consolidate around 131, move towards 132, or we could see it pull back into this area where price had already kind of came from. We've got this consolidation down here. We've rallied from the 1.3 area. If price was to come and retest back down in this zone, so let's just highlight this with a trend line. If price was to come back towards this 1.3060 area, start to form some bullish price action, I think we could look for some continued long opportunities on pound US dollar, in line with potentially seeing pound head towards that sort of 133.60. So keep an eye on pound. We've talked about pound a lot this sort of past couple of weeks about the potential for it to reverse. Looks like we're getting that play now. Look for the potential long opportunities to those key levels. Thanks for watching this video update. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading videos. Check out yesterday's pound Aussie video, talk about the pound commitment to trade reports and the data that I look into. So go take a look at that one, and I'll speak to you in the next video.